Hey guys, in this section I'm gonna show you how do you manipulate on files with the Node.js. For make this, the first steps you need to check if the Node.js are installed in your computer. I'm using a Windows system operational. The next steps you check I use the command node version. I use Node version 18.15.0. The next steps you need to open. We create a folder here. I open my code editor. In this code editor, we need to create a new file called is app.js. The next steps we will create a text file called is greetings.txt. Into this file, we will put the name and save this. Hello, bonjour, hello. We will put in Portuguese, olá, and the hi. Before this, first you need to import a module called is EFS. Here you see I create a new constant and use the query for import this EFS module. The next steps you create a function. You create a async function for read the files. I call this function for read the file. This function will receive a property called is file path. Here I paste the file path. If I receive a error, I use try catch. The next steps I create a constant called is data. In data receive a awaiting. We will call the EFS module and access the method read file sync. Read file sync receive this file path. They wait this and they print with mean a console.log. The next steps I print a console log of this data. .toString. If you receive a error, we just put a console.log of this error. Here I put a alright. At this moment you write a new function called this read file. Finally call the function and paste the properties called is. You just get this full name. I copy this name and call the function called this read file and place this property name. Alright. For making and run this file, we need to open my terminal. For open this terminal, you just navigate to the terminal, new terminal, and you just put this code here, node, and the file name app.js. And they execute and they read the file and print in console log.